This is brand new in their Luxe collection. All of the caps in that Luxe collection are hand tied. So they're just a bit of a step up from a normal wefted cap. Extremely comfortable, easy to wear, and very natural. Don't you love it when Belle Tress offers a beautiful short style? Louie is that polished short bob style, a little bit of an angle here, soft nape and back. It has a gentle, classic, rounded volume to it, but it's a super light density. You can find this at Wig Studio One. Remember, you drop below the video, expand the description box. I'll attach a direct product link in the description. It'll be titled Belle Tress Louie. If you click on the link, it'll take you directly to the Wig Studio One website. You can see all of the colors and the pricing on this style. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. I've had a lot of requests to review this style and color, actually. Shaken Oatmeal R. We're going to get into this color, but first let's talk about the specs for Louie. So that front piece is going to measure about 6 inches, 5 to 6 inches right there, and that stretches almost to my chin. And then alongside that, then we're looking at probably an 8-inch side. In the back, it looks to be about a 6 to 8 inch crown, and that boiling down into about a 2-inch nape. So you are getting that angle effect, and because of the layering in the back, you get that volume and that little bit of profile there as well. Now this is all being done by the fiber and how they're sewn in. So this roundness and this fullness that you see is all fiber. There's no permatease at all on this cap. So when they sew that in, it just has that rounded shape. Now remember, this is heat friendly. So if you're not a fan of the rounded shape, you could flat iron it to get us something a little more sleek and close to the head without getting a pressed down look. But you can just kind of gently fluff the root to get a nice round, soft volume there. It's beautiful for ear tucks because it has a very light density. Each one of these fibers is silky baby fine. It's a light density to the fact of being just completely whisper light, natural looking with a natural feel and movement. And the hand-tied panels are just the icing on the cake for this cute little style. If you like styles like, I'm gonna say Woo La La in the Cafe collection, or Ignite by John Renault, or Dina by Estetica, I think you're going to fall in love with this one as well. Plus it has a little more upgraded features. And consistent with that light density, it only weighs about 2.5 ounces. I barely noticed that it's on. And a heat-friendly fiber of this length is superior for longevity as well. So it's time now to get into this color a little bit. I know I've had questions about it, so we're gonna break it down. I've got a color code here for you. It's an 8, a 25, a 613, and an R8. So what you're gonna see, the base color is more of a soft, light golden brown. That's your base. You are also going to see 2 types of highlights. One that is more of a gold blonde, a very light gold blonde, and then that's another pale blonde, which is almost neutral or cool. So I feel like this is a very neutral color, and there's some cool, there's some warm, and I think it would satisfy you either way. So you're not going to see any intense gold. This color has a medium brown root. It's just done so well. Very subtle, and then it blends out into the full color, and it's just such a soft look. You even forget there's a root there. I've had a lot of questions about how this compares to the British Milk Tea by Belle Tress in their Cafe collection, and I will have a review and comparison of that one coming soon. So these cap features are amazing. I'll go ahead and put up an inside look at the cap while I move closer to the screen for a shot of the lace front from the outside. Very fine knots there. Now this lace front runs ear to ear, so it actually wraps around the ear tab. Now my hairline juts out a little further at my ear, and so I'm not getting that full effect of the lace, but it does run around the ear tab. No visible seams at all, completely natural looking when you pull it off of the face. And then there's There is no seam leading from the lace to that full monofilament area on the top. And then you'll see there's hand-tied panels all around. So you can part this wherever you like. Answering a big question, does this style get in the eyes? No, it really does a great job of staying out of the eyes. This is right out of the box with a few simple shakes. I applied it and then just kind of raked back with my fingers a little bit. Even looking down, it tends to stay out and around the face instead of going into the eyes. The glasses fit beautifully between the ear and the ear tab, as I knew they would. It's a very ultra thin ear tab, no permatease, light density. Nothing is getting in the way of glasses being a great fit with this wig style. So let's just move it around. This will give you a really good idea of the movement, the density of the style, and inspire you to style your new Louie by Belle Tress. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon.